Alrighty, hi everyone. Let's do the next pattern, which is pattern focus, and go down to this one, YvO. Let you know that I have ordered a microphone to try to connect to this camera. Hopefully that will be here tomorrow, I think. So hopefully I'll get rid of some of this echo that's in this room. I'm going to do my best. Sorry about the sound. Looks like Mimi has done this one. I have not. So it looks like some sort of like flower is what we're aiming for here. Let me click on it, see if I can get it bigger. There we go. Okay. So this is going to be a bracket shaped tangle. So we're going to draw a bracket shape, and then another one, and then so there's going to be 3 brackets on this side and 3 on this side, all coming to one point like that. And then we're going to do it again like an echo. Just follow that shape one more time so that we end up with these bracket-like petals. And then in here we're going to do a curve, and then the ends of these we're going to do this little curve there to make it close up that shape. And then there it is right there. And I'm going to do that. It looks like, kind of looks like an artichoke almost, sort of. I don't know. Interesting. Let's give that a go. Stand that over here so I can see it. Put that over here. And I need a pen. I'm going to put myself a little border, but I'm not necessarily going to need it, but just in case I get close to the edge, I'll remind myself that I'm getting close to the edge. Probably won't need it. Okay, so yeah, I'm not liking this camera angle. I'm gonna have to do something with this camera. I'm not sure what. Not sure what yet, but I'm gonna figure it out. I promise. I will figure the darn thing out. But I don't like this either. Okay, so right about here is where I want those brackets to attach to. So I'm gonna come like that, and I'm gonna do a second one and a third one. This is not my favorite shape. I have a hard time with this shape, so I figured if I started there where I want them all to meet, then they'll at least all meet in the right place, right? Up like that, and out like that, and up like that. How was that? Not too bad. Yeah, like I said, it's not a shape that I favor, so it's tough for me. So then we're going to do the aura, so I'm going to make that one exactly the same for here. And then this one can come like that. And this one can come like that. Something like that. And then I'm going to do it from this end. Like that. And from maybe here. Like so. And then maybe from here. Oh, that one's not right. Oh well, it's close enough. You get the idea. I get the idea. Okay, so then we have an arch here. And then an arch here. And here. And here. And like that. And then like this. And like that. Oh, that came out better than I expected. Awesome. Okay. And I can see why in the sample they kind of filled in some things here with some other shapes. Looks like they used flux, which I will go ahead and do as well. Just kind of filling in the space. Like that. And then maybe something that lives upwards. Like that maybe? Why not? Just add a few embellishments in here. And then maybe the middle part will have something like that maybe? Why not? Just felt like it needed something. Okay. I like that, but it needs this one needs to be more emphasized, I think. I'll just get out my big pen. that. Yeah, it needed that. Okay. And now it's time to put the name, which was YvO. YvO. Don't know how you say it, but. And then a little shading, I think. Around here. And then I think here. And here. Like that, I think. A little bit in the beginning. In the spots here where it comes to a point, it's always a little more shady down in there. And then I'll take my blending stump and blend that out, and then I'll also add, you know, wherever I feel like it needs a little something, something. I need medium-sized. There we go. Use one of my new blending stumps that I got that came in that cute little pouch, and give that a go. A fresh blending stump. So how is everyone? I did those last couple of videos I drew them all kind of all together yesterday. I did the first 3 or 4 for this week, all in one go, and I did it at my standing desk, and my darned foot just wasn't happy after that. I am actually, I want to go back to work because I know they really need me. And, you know, I really just don't need to be sitting around watching TV all day. But at the same time, I am so afraid that my foot is just going to be so sore. Because I've been trying really hard to be on it more, and oh, it just hurts so bad. I'm not being a good patient. Well, I'm being a good patient because I'm following the doctor's rules and orders and things, but I'm not a good patient. I don't like to hurt. And to be honest, most of it hasn't hurt. It's only hurting now because I'm standing on it. If I get off of it, it doesn't hurt. So I've been spending more and more time sitting, which I shouldn't be doing. I feel like it wants some color. I'm going to give this guy some color. Oh, where's my color pencil? Oh, just a little bit. I'll put a little green for the leaves. Just a subtle amount of color. I'm not doing like a whole lot. Like hardly touching the paper. I think it just wants a hint. Like I said, I'm hardly touching the paper at all. hint of green. And I think I want a hint of pink. Or red. No, this one. Rouge Carmine. Carmine red. I'm gonna do that. But I'm hardly touching. Like just barely. Like that. Just a hint of color. Yeah, I'm not liking where this camera is. I'm gonna have to put it, right now I'm standing kind of here. The camera is right here. And on my other setup, I was standing here. My camera was there. Because right now, I thought this would be better because it would make it better for you guys to see it more straight on. But now the camera actually gets in my way when I'm trying to see what I'm doing. So I'm not really caring for that. So I'll just move things around again. Eventually I'll find the proper place. I'll get it eventually. Okay, so I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to put just a smidge of white in here. Do a little bit of highlight. Like that. Just a snitch. I think that's good. That will work. Okay, you guys have a great day. I will see you tomorrow. I may move things around a little bit, see what happens. Eventually, I will find a good spot. All right, there you go. I think I'm finished. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.